In this video, you're going to learn on how to solve this PSLE 2024 Paper 2 question 15. So the question goes like this. The figure below is made up of a quadrant and a circle overlapping each other. The quadrant touches the circle at points F and G, and the circle with the center O has the diameter of 24 centimeters. Find the area shaded. Take pi equal to 3.14. And this is a 5 marks question. So you can pause this video and do your workings and figure out the answer. Once you are done, you can unpause this video and then you can see whether your answer is correct. So this question has a topic of area of shapes and the difficulty hard. So for me, I recommend you to actually skip this question during the exam and do the easy and manageable questions first. And once you are very confident the easy ones are done, then you can go back to this question and try to figure it out. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so let's have the 24 centimeters shown in the diagram below. So in the question, it says that the circle with center O has a diameter of 24 centimeters. So that means this is 24 centimeters and this is 24 centimeters. But at the same time, we can actually have this shaded area moved to the top, as what you see over here. So if I were to replay the animation again, it actually looks something like this, where the shaded area, if combined, will look something like this. So now it's actually easier to solve. So the next thing is that we need to get the shaded area. So this essentially is the quadrant area minus the two triangles. So if I were to replay this again, to get the shaded area, you just need to have the quadrant area minus the two triangles that's overlapping. So first, let's figure out the quadrant area. To just recap on the area of circle, it's essentially pi r squared. But if you were to have an area of a quadrant, you could see that only 1/4 of the circle is being shaded. And this is where you have 1 out of 4 or 1/4 multiplied by pi r, which is the radius square. So in this case, we actually know the radius because from the earlier example, this is 24 centimeters. So what we're going to do is that we're going to calculate the quadrant area. So which is 1 out of 4 times pi times r squared. And this will give us 1 out of 4 times 3.14 times 24 centimeters. And the answer is 452.16 centimeters square. So now we know the quadrant area, which is 452.16 centimeters square. The next thing is we need to know the two triangles area. So we know that the base of the triangle or one of the triangle is 24 centimeters. The next thing is we need to figure out the height. But since this is a circle, the height is essentially the radius, which is 12 centimeters. So how we get 12 centimeters is 24 divided by 2. And this will give us 12 centimeters. And now with that, we can calculate the two triangles, which is 2 times half times base times height. So one triangle is 1 out of 2 or half times base times height. Two triangles is 2 times half times base times height. And since you know that the base is 24 centimeters and the height is 12 centimeters, we can just put in the numbers. And if you know 2 times half is equal to 1, so these cancel each other out. And we are just left with 24 centimeters times 12 centimeters. And this will give us 288 centimeter square. So now we know the two triangles area, which is 288 centimeters square. Then the shaded area will be quadrant area minus two triangles area, which is 452.16 centimeters square minus 288 centimeters square. And this gives us 164.16 centimeters square. And that is an easy win. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more of this kind of videos, subscribe down below and comment down what other questions you want me to go through next. See you in the next one. Bye bye.